Hi there, second graders. Welcome to day 3, Phonics and Language. Today, you will be completing pages 231 and 232. Again, that's page 231 and 232. All right, so on page 231, guys, up in the prefix, we have a paw prefix. We have a paw print. In the paw print, it says when the prefix un, it's un, comes before a root word, it means not. When the prefix re comes before a root word, it means again or back. All right, guys, so a prefix. Remember, we take a prefix and we add them at the beginning of a root word. Like if so, whenever you see in front of a root word, then that tells you that is not. So if I say untie your shoe, the opposite of that would be your shoes are tied. But if they're untied, that means they're not tied, okay? So whenever I put in front of a word, I'm going to turn that word in. I'm saying that it's not. So if I said, what you're going to do, it says underline the root word and write the meaning. So for instance, unkind equals what? If a person is unkind, then they're not kind. If a person is unhappy, that means they're not happy. Whenever you see re in front of a root word, it means again, like to do something again, or it means back, like rewind. Rewind the movie means to go backwards, okay, when you rewind. So if I said return to your seats, that means you need to what? Turn, okay? Turn again, all right? Turn again. If I said to rewrite, meaning that you're going to what? Rewrite something again. You're going to do it again. So if I said rewrite your name on your paper, okay, the opposite of that would mean you'll be writing your name. If I said rewrite, means to do it again. So when you see in front of a root word, and remember, a root word is the word you start with. So for instance, my word is unhappy. We'll go back to our My word is unhappy. My root word is going to be happy. My prefix, which is at the beginning of the root word, so unhappy means not happy. Then if I have the word write, W-R-I-T-E, and I'm going to put re in front of it. So I have rewrite, means to do it again. So re in front of a root word means to do it again. Un means not. Okay, that's what you're doing for number 1. Number 2, you're circling only the special sounds that make E. Now, some of those words contain other special sounds. For instance, she, S-H-E, you see sh and ship, E and me. But the only thing, please get this, the only special sounds you are circling are those special sounds that make the E sound, nothing else. So one of your words is going to be, let's see, one of your words is dream. D-R-E-A-M. Well, we've learned special sounds, and I know that there's 2 of them in that word, D-R-E-A. But this is what you got to understand with your directions. I will not. Now, normally, it tells us circle all the special sounds, and we'll do that. Not today. Today, you only want the special sound that make the E sound. So that's just going to be the E and the A. All right, remember, some of our sounds that make this E sound. E in key, E-Y. E in key, E-Y. E in leaf, E-A. E in leaf, E-A. So if I see an E-A, I know that it makes the E sound. E-Y, E sound. E in brownie, I-E. E in brownie, I-E. E in rainy, Y. E in rainy, Y. E in baby, Y. E in baby, Y. E in me, E. E in me, E. So you're looking for E, a Y that's making the E sound. You're looking for I-E, E in brownie makes the E sound. You're going to look for E-Y, E in key, it makes the E sound. You're going to look for E-A, E in leaf, it makes the E sound, okay? And so right there, you're going to circle only the special sounds that make the E sound. Remember, I do not want to see all of the special sounds in the word circle. You're only picking out the sounds that make the E sound. Number 3, it says circle the correct word in each sentence. This goes back to what we talked about, the page you did yesterday, 229 and 230, where it was saying you need to figure out whether or not you're going to use a contraction or possessive, whether it's contraction or possessive. And remember what I told you, the clue right there is to break the contraction up and read the sentence with the original 2 words that you made the contraction with. For instance, it says, throw your banana peel away. Throw your banana peel away. The your is the contraction. Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. Well, when I break that down, throw your banana peel away. Does that make sense? No. So when you're trying to figure out if a contraction goes there, break the contraction up and speak as if it's the original words, the original 2 words. Okay, here we go. For dictation today, we are writing contractions on the top line. I'm going to say the word and you write the contraction for the word. Remember, your contraction, the apostrophe takes the place of the missing letters. You have to put the apostrophe where the missing letters would be. Not anywhere else. It has to be where the missing letters would have originally been. Here's your first contraction I want you to write. Write the contraction for I am. I am. Next, write the contraction for he is. He is. Next, write the contraction for we are. We are. Next, you're going to write the contraction for I will. I will. I'll repeat that for you. First one, I am. Second, he is. Third, we are. And the last one, I will. So what you're writing is the contraction for the word that I said. On the second part of your dictation, this is where your listening skills, that's why we do dictation, because it builds your listening skills. I'm going to say a sentence and you're going to write the sentence. Throw that moldy bread away. Throw that moldy. That's a root word with a suffix. Mold is my root word. E in baby. I'm sorry. E in rainy because it's a suffix. Throw that moldy bread away. All right. On page 232, it says mark the sentences, diagram the sentence. When you mark the sentence, you know what we do. Underline the subject once, underline the verb twice. Draw your line between the subject and the verb. So the first sentence says, the large lion roared in the jungle. Who or what is the sentence about? Lion, that's my subject. So I'm going to underline just a simple subject. I don't want the complete subject. So you're not going to put the adjective large lion. You're just going to do lion, underline lion. Then roar in the jungle. What did the lion do? Roared in the jungle. He roared. That's my verb. So I'm going to put 2 lines under roared. Then I need to separate now my subject from my predicate. So I'm separating the lion from roared. And I put a line between lion and roared. All right. We'll do another one together. Two cubs followed the lioness. I'm sorry. So number one, you're going to put your subject on one line, and then where you separated your words, that's what you're diagramming. Okay, let me just give you an example of that so you can see. So the large lion roared. We're in the jungle. All right, so I have two steps that I'm doing. First thing they want me to do is mark my parts of speech in the sentence. So I have lion, that's my subject. I underline it once. Roar is my verb. I underline it twice. I put a line between lion and roar. Now I need to diagram. Here I'm going to write my subject, lion. Here I'm going to write my verb, roared, okay, on the line. So that's what you're doing. Okay. Number two, it says finish the abbreviation chart. Remember, some months do not have abbreviations. You have shorter months that do not have abbreviations. What are some shorter months? July, exactly. May, exactly. June, those do not have abbreviation. March is another one that doesn't have an abbreviation. M-A-R-C-H, March doesn't have it. So March, July, June, May, those need to be written just like they are. There's not an abbreviation we're going to use for those, okay? All right. Then you're going to, those are your months, and then you're going to do your days of the week. Every day of the week has an abbreviation. And remember, it must begin with a capital letter and have a period at the end of the abbreviation, okay? For the ones that don't have an abbreviation, you don't need a period. All you need to do is just write the word. Months, days of the week, months of the year begin with what? Capital letters, correct. All right, guys, those are your instructions for today. I'll see you later, alligators.